Here are 3 things that you need to make your product page convert better. First thing is scarcity. You need scarcity in your offer, on your product page, on your Amazon listing, wherever it is you're selling. You need scarcity, because scarcity will encourage people to buy. It will get them to buy and push them. It will be that last push over the fence that they need in order to buy. And so you can include different things by saying like, oh, if you have a certain amount of inventory, like if you only have a couple hundred units left, then use that as scarcity. You can always find something to be scarce, or you could offer a free gift. You could offer a free product. Maybe it's an accessory that came with your product when you order it on Alibaba or AliExpress or wherever. And then you can advertise that as a free gift and say, hey, if you buy this humidifier, then you get 2 free filters, but hurry because we only have 10 filters left, or however many that you actually have left. Then just say that and use that as actual scarcity. Tip number 2 is urgency. Have urgency in your product offer, and by doing that will transform your offer, because most people most people can use like a sale. For example, you could have a limited time sale, like, hey, it's Easter Sunday or whatever, 10% off, and it goes away by midnight on Sunday, whatever. That's the common way to increase urgency for them to buy, because there's something going away. And again, it can be a free gift. It can be a free gift that's going away. It's like, hey, we're giving you free filters, 2 free filters when you buy this humidifier, but hurry because this offer only lasts till tomorrow night, and then it's gone. Another thing you could do is you could offer free shipping, or you could offer free expedited shipping. So maybe your usual shipping is, let's say, 5 to 7 days. Maybe you could pay for your fulfillment center or for your supplier to upgrade that shipping, so that way it's expedited. So maybe it's 2 to 3 days instead of 5 to 7. Then you can say, hey, for the next 3 days only, we are going to be offering free 2 to 3 day shipping, but hurry, it only lasts the next 3 days. And so that way you can push that and incentivize people to buy. And when you stack these things together, like scarcity and urgency together, you can see how much more powerful your offer can become. Another thing you can do, tip number 3, is to offer free things. I've hinted at this already several times in both of them, but that's so important, because when you offer something free, most importantly, that the customer values, something that they value. So for example, a humidifier, just ask yourself for your product, what is something that my customer could need with my main product? So in this case, a humidifier. Most humidifiers require filters to use, so you can offer them filters for free. You could offer like a year's supply worth of filters for free when they buy from you. And 1, that differentiates your brand and your product from everybody else. And 2, it increases the perceived value of your offer, because you're offering not only your main product, but also you're offering something for free that your customer desires, something that your customer actually needs and cares about, for absolutely free, like I said. So that can be another powerful way to improve your offer and make it convert so much better. So like I said, scarcity, urgency, and offer free stuff in your offer. And you can also use non-tangible things and include those for free in your offer. For example, you could offer a free VIP protection plan, aka it's a lifetime warranty, for your product when you buy today. And when you stack those different things together, when you stack, like, okay, you get 2 free filters, you get a free VIP protection plan, lifetime warranty, you get free 2 to 3 day shipping, and you get like a free ebook, for example. When you stack those things together and you say, hey, we only have like 10 filters left, and you have like a 10% off sale running, or you say, hey, this free gift, or all these free gifts are going away tomorrow at midnight. When you stack all of those things together, do you see how much more compelling it is than just saying, oh, 50% off plus free shipping, or free shipping, free returns? That's it. Do you see how much more compelling that is? Like, it just goes through the roof, and it can increase your customer's desire to buy your products even more. So I hope this video helps. Short one, but I hope it helps. Let me know down below if you like these kind of videos, like these e-commerce tip videos. I'd be happy to put more out for you guys. But thank you so much for watching. Love you guys. I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care, y'all.